Essprom EPM Simplified. Today we will walk you through a demo of NetSuite Analytics Warehouse, commonly known as NSAW, and how it works alongside Oracle Analytics Cloud, commonly known as OAC, giving businesses sharper, faster insights from their NetSuite data. It's a cloud-based business intelligence solution built specifically for NetSuite. What makes it special is that it combines the power of Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse, Oracle Analytics Cloud, and a seamless NetSuite data pipeline, all in one platform. Now you might ask, what makes NSAW different from other analytics solutions out there? Well, it's tailored for NetSuite's transaction data. It supports custom data without requiring coding, has embedded connectors for external data sources, and delivers pre-built dashboards that are ready to use from day one. Speaking of benefits, NSAW speeds up time to value by up to 6 times compared to traditional analytics projects. You can analyze vast amounts of data, forecast trends, and make decisions. Before we jump into NSAW, it's important to understand how it fits into the broader NetSuite ecosystem. While NetSuite offers basic reporting tools for routine operational data, growing businesses often need something more flexible, scalable, and insightful. That's where NetSuite Analytics Warehouse steps in, providing a smarter, centralized platform to track performance, spot trends, and combine business data in new, meaningful ways. It helps organizations move beyond static reports to truly data-driven decision-making. NSAW comes with a library of out-of-the-box reports for various business functions: finance, sales, inventory, procurement, and more. These ready-made reports help users get instant insights without having to build anything from scratch. You can zoom in by clicking the Enlarge button, or you can explore various statistics by just opening them in image mode, where you may quickly inspect, simply guiding your hand over the specific place you wish to examine. Another great feature of NSAW is how easy it is to share reports and dashboards. You can securely share interactive dashboards with teams across your organization, or even with external stakeholders. This ensures that everyone's working with the same, up-to-date information, which improves collaboration and speeds up decision-making. Another key aspect is connectivity. You're not limited to NetSuite data alone. You can easily connect other data sources, whether it's Google Drive, Dropbox, on-premise databases, or third-party cloud apps, and bring them into NSAW for unified reporting. Let's come to how we have utilized machine learning mode and have implemented using Support Vector Machine (SVM) model. We used Oracle Analytics Cloud to build a machine learning model that predicts whether a sales opportunity will close based on historical data. The data set includes fields such as the actual status of the opportunity, the predicted status generated by an SVM model, and a validation field that shows whether the prediction was accurately predicted or not accurately predicted. We created a data flow in OAC to clean and transform the data, train the SVM model, and apply it to current opportunities. The model compares predicted results with actual outcomes and flags each opportunity based on prediction accuracy. The final output is visualized in interactive dashboards, giving the sales team clear insights into high-probability opportunities and helping improve decision-making. Now, another feature is the AI Assistant tool available in OAC, which gives solution based on asked question. We can ask different questions to the AI Assistant under Assistant subtab when we click on the Auto Insight tab. Here we have asked what are the opportunities with a probability of over 95% and expected to close within this week. This ML model instantly shows the results by analyzing the dataset using expected close date to filter out the opportunities that match the condition in the question asked. Finally, mapping. This feature allows us to drill down to any region or province level when viewing sales data on a geographical map. The given map shows us the sales data for Philippines. In this map, we can drill down further into the regions, followed by provinces, followed by cities, and then, finally, the barangays, and check the sales figures for each of these divisions. We can zoom in and zoom out on the map as per our requirement. We select the Zest map, then select the option Drill to attribute/hierarchy. Now there we drill down to provinces. We can now see the sales for the province Ilocos Norte. Now we select the province and drill down to city level. Now we can see the sales values for all the cities within this province. We select any one city and drill down to the barangays. Now we can see the sales figures for all the barangays under the selected city. So that's all about how NSAW interacts with NetSuite. Thanks for watching the video.